Okay. Current item is an integer, so maybe I can mark this as a current item dot toString. Yeah. Now run the bot. You can see they give the facility to download the images. So it's like a free API they provided. Okay. So what is the thing? So we have a request URL. That is the request URL is what? Request URL is, understand, request URL is an endpoint. Okay. So what we need, if they ask to use the API, what we need to ask, so we need a sample request. That means a request endpoint, request body, request parameters. So whatever. Okay. So whatever we ask. Okay. So that means whatever they have, but it is designed by them. Okay, it is designed by them. Okay, for example, the methods are there, right? So string methods are there, substring, index of, right? So these are all the methods are there. The method is designed by them, and they have to provide what is the structure. Then we can use that structure and use the capabilities. See, it is downloading the docs. Do you understand? So the capabilities. So first of all, at least so the basic usage of APIs. Almost every service has their own APIs.